Yeah, so it's still last night, and she did come down and open them.
Put socks in the drawer.
You want to put them in? Okay.
Yes.
All right, here you go.
Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome. Girl, this box. Oh, my goodness. So this happened. I'm so glad that they all have their designated days and all of their clothes are done, but I am ridiculous right now. This is crazy. It is overflowing right now. I'm gonna have to do at least 2 loads. Yeah, definitely. I legit make no sense. And honestly, I didn't even care, but I'm about to get back on track because was taking my clothes out the
Waiting for mommy.
dryer.
Thank you for waiting.
Thank you for waiting. And she came into the laundry room and was like, I want to put my socks in the drawer. Oh my goodness, yes, evil queen.
Yes.
She's been wearing them too. I've been coming home from work.
Socks in the drawer.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, go.
I don't know where's this one go. She's like, I don't know. Oh, over there? Okay, mommy's gonna fix it for you, okay?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Let's see, we have, what day is that? 19, yes. So today's 19, we have to do, let me see. Oh, nice. Oh, wait, this is mine? Oh, no, this is hers. Okay, yes. Oh my goodness, where's 18? Remember you didn't do that yesterday. Oh, that's nice.
Alpha.
So, yes, Alphaba. So she's been putting it's another coaster. So she's been putting all of her stuff, I think I showed you yesterday, in her Wizard of Oz bag that we got from Vegas. So yes on that, 18 and 19 rocking. All right, girl. Here we go. Yes. So day 19, the girls are off. I'm looking. Oh, okay. Hold on. Let me pop. Jessie, yes on that. Oh, I just got excited. I forgot to show you guys the ducks that I grabbed from Five Below. I was so excited. Yes on Jessie. I was so excited about the Wicked Beauty Fridge. Girl, I forgot. Oh, and I have to take 1, 2, 3 to work. I took the other halves to work, and then this one stays here from yesterday, right? Let me do today. Pop that. 19. See, right up top. This one has been really fun. Peppermint bark. Oh, get out of here. Peppermint bark black tea. So yes on the 1 and 1. So I'm gonna put this on my coffee bar and take these to work. Harry Potter is rocking. Am I gonna get a coaster? Oh no. A coaster not fitting in 19. Let me pull. I know some type of card or something. I feel, girl, I'm sliding the whole book down. Oh, there you go. Oh, okay, that's exactly what it is. Just blank cards. Yes. Pablo just left a mess over here from yesterday. 19. Oh, that's tiny. That's a tiny. Let me see. Hold on. Yes, on the e.l.f. lip gloss. What's funny is I just bought a couple from Marshall's to throw into the stockings. That is cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this morning, a lot better than yesterday. Oh my goodness. Like the entire day was right. So a lot better. I backed everything up for Sydney because today is her last day. So I wanted to make sure that her bus people, the aides at school, the teacher, everybody had, all their things today. And Kara, at least I can breathe a little bit because Kara's last day is Tuesday, I think. Yeah, I think she has a half day Tuesday. So I'll probably do it over the weekend and send her things on Monday, just so I'm not doing it on the last day. And yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. I'm looking at this box because remember yesterday was a whole thing with me cleaning up the kitchen. Wait till I show you this box on my island. It's about to be a whole situation. So I grabbed ducks. I was so excited about the Wicked Beauty fridge, right? I grabbed ducks from Five Below too. And oh my goodness, they're so cute. So Kara is the duck girl, right? Me and Kara, but Kara is the duck. So remember she had the ducks for the advent calendar last year? They were all Christmassy. They're still up in her thing. But it's just it's such a pain. I think you gotta wipe them down. They get dusty. So I think I'm gonna put them in a box, like a decorative box, but for her to have it in her space, right? So, and just take the ones out that are appropriate for the time. I don't want to take them away from her. So I love Transformers. Oh my goodness. I couldn't believe it. Look.
What is it, a duck?
Yeah, can you tell who it is? You about
it
to
look like Optimus Prime.
Yes, I was going to say he about to lose his card. He about to lose his Transformer card if he don't get it. Yes, Optimus Prime and Bumblebee. If I found a Bumblebee duck, that would be fire too. But yes, on Optimus Prime. How cute is that? Scooby. Scooby-Doo. Oh my goodness. And Ursula. So I feel like, yeah, I don't know what's up there. I might have to show you, but we are collecting like a few. I've gotten some from Target's Bullseye's Playground, right? And Five Below. That's the only two places I get them from. But yes, on Ursula and Buzz. So I already have Woody. I think Woody is upstairs already, right? So now I got Buzz. Oh my goodness. Let me rephrase. So now she has Buzz. Yes on that. Yes on Moana. How cute is she? Oh my goodness. I didn't realize I had to dig because I saw the top of the hair. I'm like, who is that? You know, exciting. And this one right here is all the way Kara. 100% Kara, right? So, anxiety. Oh my goodness. And they only had one. Oh my goodness. That is cute. So yeah, those are all the ones I got. This one is my fave. So yeah. So yes on, what time is it? I have 5 minutes. Yes on all the ducks. Here come Hershey. Oh, she's gonna get to that bag. I don't want her to get that. Oh, the bag I'm talking about. So remember the Stitch Fix, right? I tried on all the things. What was that, a couple weeks ago? So I didn't try it on, right? I didn't try anything on. I just said, oh my gosh, this is really, really cute. Everything I'm sending back. They're too big. The sweaters are too big. So I need to go on Stitch and change my size to a medium now. And yeah, they're too big. So the one of them I really, really like, I gave it to Sid, but everything else I sent back. So I need to change my size. They're too big for me now, but yeah, they're going back. Oh my goodness. You see what I mean? Look, everything's all tidy, nice. Even Sydney, that's my coffee. Even Sydney put her phone to the side when she comes home. What the hell? It's like a toolbox, right? It is pretty cool. I can't front. I can't. It's nice. It's the Ghostbusters, the Ectomobile, right? Deluxe edition. So I feel like my husband is such a big kid. I feel like all the action figures are in there with the car, right? Like all of that is going on. So I'm gonna have to shoot you a pic once he opens it, with whenever that will be. But girl, he needs to get this off the table. Oh yeah, here it is right here. So they're all in here. Girl. Hey guys, I'm home. Day 19. She was just in the window. I hope it's a toy. She been getting poop bags. Oh my goodness. Ooh, yes. Look at that. Let me start. Wait, let me start it for you. Look. Yes. She legit just ran around the house with it. Let me see. She's so cute. So last time it was the Barbies. This time it's the angels. And now, I guess he set the scene. He in the winter white, right? He got the ring on his arm. Girl. Oh my goodness. So yes on dinner. You don't hear nothing over there. So I'm going to rock Honey Grow tonight. Hubby got a sandwich, girl. You better get this off the table. Oh my goodness, because if I have to move it, right? Miss Girl. All right, you guys, I'm gonna end it here. Girl, I am so glad it's Friday. I want him to light the fireplace, chillax. I mean, you know me. I'll end up doing something else later on tonight. You know what I mean? But I kind of just want to eat and chill. You know what I mean? So, yeah, everybody's belly is going to be full. I am just TGIF 100%. So, yeah, whatever I do, if I do anything, I'll share it with you tomorrow. I'll see you soon. Bye.